So in the warm light of day, the headlights not so good, but interestingly there is a patch where I really worked on it that's come out really clean. So I've got my wet and dry mechanical polisher, some cutting compound. We're going to give this a real good going over, a revisit video. That's right. So let's get to it. So I'm going to go straight in with, let's see what I got, 600. With 600 grit wet and dry and a bit of water. Let's see what this does. Let's have a look at that now. Yeah, see, there's patches there where there's nothing at all. See that? What's that? No crazy, no nothing. So let's keep going. A bit black. It's disappearing slowly. Or is it? That bit looks nice. That bit looks nice. A couple of nice bits. Just there. Let's keep going. Let's meet it. Let's give it a wipe. Just here, there, it seems to be a lot better. I'm just going to run a quick coat of cutting compound with this, see if this improves our chances. Error. Give that a little wipe. That looks better. Miles better. So I'll get you in from this side. See that? See how it's completely gone from there? That tells me we need to go a bit more and a bit rougher. This is quite aggressive, but don't panic. This is what makes me think that there was lacquer on it. It's coming off with a layer. Run out of recording space, but let's give that a wipe. And we're going to wet it and do a bit of 600 grit, see what that does. Take out any big scratches. Now we're going to do a bit of polish. You can see the line. I'll do it on here. Come on. So much for that. Ooh. Bad, not bad. It's looking really good. See that? No, it's still dirty, but you see that? Much better. Much better. A bit more polishing. A bit more polishing on that. I think we might be in for the win there. Let's have a go. So we'll put that on there. Tap. Another bit of a wipe. Bit more polish. Let's give that a wipe and some wax polish. I just remembered I've still got some of this, so I'm going to bung a bit of this off. This is from that kit. Let's have a look. It's got the heel and seal technology. Messy old job. Polish gets everywhere. Dear Lord. Dear Lord. Right, let's have a look at this. Right, so I've spent about 10 minutes on that this morning because I wasn't happy with the results when I saw it in the daylight. But now, taking a look at this, that is miles better. There's no wax on there yet. That's just after the sand and a bit of a cut. There's barely any little bit of speckling here, but I only sanded up here, really. And look at the difference. Take you around the other side, show you that. Ew. Good lord. Look. It's still crazed. So I'm going to time lapse this one, and then we'll come back when I've wax polished them both overnight.
Under city lights, you caught my eyes. Midnight whispers fade like fireflies.
Well, there you have it. I think the results speak for themselves, but that is much better. I think, you know, if I could spend a bit more time polishing, I could improve it again, but 100% better than what it was 20 minutes ago, and 50% better, well, actually even more than that. It's just a lot better than that repair kit. Just some cutting compound, the cheapest polisher Amazon has to offer. 40 quid, 2 batteries, charger, some wet and dry paper. Much better. Much better. So thanks for watching this update video. Loads better. Oh, you can still see in the light there's a little bit in the corner just up there, but not going to affect the headlights itself. There you go. I think it was quite clear that there was a layer of something on there, whether it was lacquer or I don't know. It smelled like lacquer when I was sanding it off. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so I can keep doing these odd things to my car. Bye.